showed, but it was absolutely brilliant.
Oedd y gwaith cynhyrchu'n ffantastig, y sain, y goliadau, llais Aled holl anhygoel.
It was really good because there was a lot of music and dancing, and I think it had a good ending and a lot of story.
I think it's a show for everybody, really. You know, and the little girl in there was quite, you know, really interesting. She sort of brought a child feel to it as well. Yeah.
I liked the bit when all the actors there was like the special shows. There's lots of songs and music, and well, it's for child and adults.
Wedi'n synnu gan y perfformiad a yn greadigol iawn.
Awesome, epic, amazing.
Incredible, enjoyable, superb.